Hey, Gary Baker here with 30 Minute Marketing. In this quick video, I want to show you a shortcut to creating top quality professional digital products. Of course, those can be lead magnets, blog posts. You could use these in emails to sell products as an affiliate or your own products. And what I'm talking about is taking checklists that you can turn into these digital products. And these checklists are the shortcut to creating products like you see right here. In this example, a financial management cash flow projection checklist, and this can be created very simply, very quickly, very easily, and it's all done for you inside what is called I Am Checklist over at iamchecklist.org. There is a link in the description. Right now, June 1st, 2022, you can actually get this and take a look at all these volumes. Volume 54, free traffic generation strategies, TikTok marketing, financial management for small business owners, using cryptocurrencies in your business, Pinterest ads, domain flipping, and then checklists going back to last year, 2021, which all still apply because these are evergreen topics: niche websites, cybersecurity, Google My Business, improving email delivery, Bing ads, Tripwire offers, and the list goes on and on. Now, when you use the link in the description and you pick these up, you'll see that you have access to these in PDFs, doc files, which are editable documents for Word. You have mind maps, you have Google spreadsheet, Excel spreadsheet, also HTML interactive checklist. My favorite here is the Google spreadsheet because all you simply do is click, file, and copy. You open that up and you see all the checklists here, and you have all the checklists available inside of this one volume here around financials or creating a business. And you have access to edit all of these checklists to make them your own simply by going to File, Make a Copy. Then when you make a copy, you have access inside of your Google Docs to edit these and insert images and to format them exactly how you want. And then, of course, you simply just download and save those as a PDF. Of course, rebranding a checklist is simple, just like what I showed you. You just create a new header and you just simply insert that as an image. And then once you do that, you just file, download that as a PDF. And that creates the document like the document you see here that is yours to sell as your own product or give away as a lead magnet, use as a bonus for an affiliate offer. And it's super simple to take this concept over to Canva. Simply type in something like business planner, take a look at the different types of business planners, the different designs, then just select something like you see here that I selected, this business planner. Bring that into Canva, and then of course you can type down checklist and you can get more examples, more ideas. You just take that business planner and you turn that into a checklist and you create your own document, your own digital asset, your own digital product. Then of course you can also use Canva to create the header image that I created right here to create that checklist. The checklist that I saved as a PDF with my own new branding right here at the top of this PDF. Easily done by simply just deleting that and inserting the new image that I created by just simply inserting that and adding your own branding. And you simply just do that over in Canva, create a new design, set a custom size, and create something like I did here, a 600 by 90. Gives you a nice canvas to create the image that you see here, which the image is here, and this all came from just basically copying and pasting the images, the icons that were inside of this business planner. And this template was found under templates, just simply searching for the keyword business planner. So clicking the link in the description takes you over to iamchecklist.org, and you can see here, get unprecedented access to my internal systems and processes that are responsible for a handful of 7-figure businesses, all laid out in a simple and easy to follow checklist. And these checklists, you actually get full private label rights. That means, like it says here, you get to rebrand those and repurpose these checklists for your own use. And for a limited time, by using the link in the description, that means you can join I Am Checklist today and you get all of these checklists that you see here. And you can take these and you can create your own digital asset because you are getting full private label rights. That means you can rebrand and repurpose these checklists, add your own logo, do that simply just like I already showed you, turn it into any form of a digital product that you want. And this is the shortcut that you need, that you've been looking for to creating your own top quality digital products to sell as your own, to use as an affiliate as a bonus, to use as a lead magnet to build an email list, or to get people into a group. Any way to build an audience to follow up with them to help solve their problems. And again, link in the description. Check these out. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.